What's up, guys? Let me introduce you to our newest family member, and his name is Matt, and he's right here. Matt, tell us a little bit about yourself.
How's it going, guys? Like I said, my name's Matt. I come from a different background. I came from Ford. I was a technician over there. I've been watching these guys, taking notes, watching their live feed. Love it. They're friendly. They're happy. They're having fun on the jobs. They're being safe. Wanted to come join them, see what it's about. Eric over here reached out to me, and I said, sure, let's do this.
So we're glad he's joined us. We're gonna get him all trained up and ready, up to par. Before you know it, he's gonna be out on his own, climbing roofs. Hey guys, thanks for helping me welcome Matt to the team. It is 2020. It is Corona, so we're gonna give an air fist bump. Welcome to the team, Matt. We hope to see you, get you all trained up, and see you transform into this great opportunity. Oh, and by the way, guys, he's my little brother.